welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah, this is Hannah Her Habitat. I have shown you kind of the storage all around the camper. I did a part 1, part 2, part 3. So now part 4, I'm going to show you where the rest of my stuff is, because people always say, do you really have all your stuff inside your camper? So come on, let's go find out where everything else is. Now in Tennessee. So I do have stuff stored in my parents' attic. I will show you, except somebody stacked their stuff on top of mine, but I'll try to show you. I have 4 bins like this, except mine are back there. I have my Beanie Babies, childhood like PlayStation and Wii. Oh, maybe they got moved over here. My Christmas ornaments and some clothes that I wanted to keep, like t-shirts and things, and a yearbook and a jewelry box. I'm trying to think what else. I think that is about it. My skis should be around here somewhere, but we have not found them. But that is all. Not everything is in my camper. So here is where the rest of it is. I've counted 4 tins thus far. If you ask my dad, he would say I have more, but I've yet to see it, so we'll see. I have made it back to Texas, to my little humble abode, and I will see you next week, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.